Good morning, 4th class children. Now I am going to tell you about new lesson. See here children, open your course book, page number 34. See here which tool from the given pictures would you use to sharpen your pencil? Why? See here, this is a sharp object knife. This is a sharp object blade. This is a sharp object barber knife. This is a sharpener. The sharpener is used to sharpen the pencil because it is covered with plastic. Okay children, next. Your mother has prepared your favorite dish and wants to serve it hot. Which tool will she use? Your mother has prepared your favorite dish and wants to serve it hot. Which tool will she use? Hand? No. Spoon. This is the correct one. Next, a person attempted to drive an iron nail. Look here children, a person attempted to drive an iron nail into a wooden block in different ways. He pressed its head with his thumb. He hit it used a stone. Then he hit it with a stone tied at the end of a stick, and finally he hit the nail using a hammer. Which method do you think has achieved the desired result easily? Hammer. Okay. Which method do you think has achieved the desired result easily? Hammer. Okay. Look here children, some tools such as needle, knife, scissors, hammer, clay hammers, pliers, tongue, screwdriver, wrench, nail trimmer and axe help us get a job done with less effort or energy or force. These are simple missions or combination of simple missions. Okay children, some tools such as needles, knife, scissors, hammer, clay hammer, pliers, tongue, screwdriver, wrench, nail trimmer and axe help us get a job done with less effort or energy or force. These are simple missions. What are simple missions children? Hammer, pliers, lemon squeezer, shovel. These are simple missions or combination of simple missions. Now I am going to tell you about lesson name simple missions. What is that lesson name children? Simple missions. See here children, what is the first one? Identify this picture, hammer. Next, first identify this picture, pliers. Next, this is a lemon squeezer. This is a shovel. Next, look at this picture. This is a bottle opener. Next, broom, screwdriver, wrench. Next, identify these children. Inclined plane. Inclined plane. Next, axe, door lock, inclined plane, jock lifter, screw, pulley, nail cutter or nail trimmer. Okay children, what is a lifting jock? This is a jock lifter. What is a jock lifter? Lifting jock. Lifting jocks are used for leveling or positioning heavy equipment, lifting automobiles and for supporting structures. Okay. Next, what is hammer? A tool with a heavy metal head that is used for hitting nails. These are sharp. Okay children, this is a hammer. A tool with a heavy metal head that is used for hitting nails. Okay children, these are simple missions or combination of simple missions. In this lesson, we shall learn about different simple missions that are useful in our daily life. All the simple missions can be grouped into lever, inclined plane, screw, pulley, wedge, wheel and axle. Okay children? Look here children, look at this picture. What is this man trying to do? This is a rock. The man is trying to lift a rock by using a long iron bar. This is a rock. This is a long iron bar. He is pushing one end of the bar under the rock that is to be lifted. He placed a stone under the bar and closer to the rock as a support. This is a support. He applies force on the other end of the bar in downward direction to lift the load. Okay children? What type of simple mission is this? What type of simple mission is this? This is called a lever. The most basic form of simple mission, commonly used tools like scissors, flies, hammers and even ordinary spoons are all levers, but we are not aware of it. This is a lever. A lever is a rigid body with a support called fulcrum. This is a fulcrum. Fulcrum means the point on which a lever rests or is supported and on which it pivots. See here children, fulcrum F, which lift or moves load. This is a load. Rock is load. Moves lift or moves load L at one point of its length by pressing or pulling with effort. Effort E. Effort E. At the other point. These are the components of a lever. Okay. What is this children? Long iron bar. What is this called? This is a lever. This is called lever, the most basic form of a simple mission. Commonly used tools like scissors, flies, hammers and even ordinary spoons are all levers, but we are not aware of it. Okay, a lever is a, this is a lever. A lever is a rigid body with a support called fulcrum F. This is a fulcrum F. Next, which lifts or moves load L at one point of its length by pressing or pulling with effort. This is a E, effort E. At the other point, one point load, other point effort, supporting called fulcrum F. These are the components of a lever. In the above picture, the position of fulcrum F, load L and effort E are marked. Okay. In the above picture, the position of F, L, E are marked. The stone which is placed under the bar and which act as a support is the fulcrum. The rock that is to be lifted is the load, and other the force used by man on the other end of the bar is the effort. Okay children, the rock that is to be lifted is the load, and the force used by man on the other end of the bar is the effort. Based on the position of fulcrum, load and the effort, the lever are of three types. How many types? The levers are how many types? The levers are three types, namely first, second and third class levers. First, second and third class levers. How many types of levers here, children? Three types of levers, namely first, second, third class levers. Look, okay, children, thank you. I will meet in the next class. Today's home task: read 36 page in course book. What is this man trying to do? Okay, I will meet in the next class. Bye.